In this video, we'll be diving deep into the power of Python by exploring list comprehension techniques. List comprehensions allow us to generate new lists based on existing ones in a more concise and efficient way than traditional methods. Let's start with the basics. In Python, a list is represented using square brackets. A list can contain any data type, numbers, strings, even other lists. Now imagine we have two lists. List A with elements 1, 2, 3, and list B with elements red, green, blue. We want to create a new list, list C, containing only the elements that are present in both list A and list B. Here's how you can achieve this using list comprehension. New list equals item for item in list A if item in list B. Here, we're iterating over each element of list A and checking if it also exists in list B. Only those items that satisfy the condition, in this case, being present in both lists, will be added to our new list. That's just one example. You can use list comprehensions for various tasks, such as filtering data, mapping values, or even flattening nested lists into a single flat list. Just remember, the key to mastering list comprehension techniques is understanding how you can leverage Python's concise syntax to make your code more powerful and efficient. Happy coding!